Hello, everyone. This is the 6 weeks lecture material for data visualizations by using Python. In this video, I will show how to use qualitative and quantitative variable to produce graphs such as pie chart, bar chart, histogram, box plot, stem plot, and how to plot them on 2 by 2 grid, 3 by 3 grid. All of these things will be shown. Again, let me run these packages, import these packages, which was developed by some other people. And this is like the getting current working directory, and this is setting up the working directory, and this is reading the data as usual. After reading this data, I want to get rid of any missing values. That row of the D1 data should be deleted. So D1 data have maybe 20,900 rows. In that data, there are any row that has a missing value. One entry, two entry doesn't matter. Any row that has a missing entry, that row will be deleted. So let me delete that one. After deleting this one, now I want to subset the data by selecting unique ID. So that means one person's will appear only one time in the data. So as it was a longitudinal data, panel data, or repeated measurement data, but I want to consider only unique ID. So that means a person must not appear more than one times. So let me run this, and then now I want to check how many rows in the data, D3. If I run this, I 1440 rows. Okay. After that, I want to see the how many people are smoker among these data. If I run this, I found that 47 of them smoker and 1393 are non-smoker. So smoker and non-smoker count are given in here. So now I want to see the bar chart and pie chart for this graph. So in order to do this, we have to import a matplotlib library as a short name PLT. After doing that, now I want to put the calls, means color, red and green, levels, smoker and non-smoker. And then I put sizes 47, which are smoker, and 3993 are a non-smoker. And I want to explode it, so which I will explain later. And then I want to see the pie chart first. This is the pie chart. The explode means this red part is coming out from there. So if I commented it out, explode I has been commented, and then take out this explode sum completely, then you will see now then the red part that is coming out from the pie chart will not come out. So now take a look, pie chart looks like that way. Okay, so let me get rid of that one. Yeah. So, and then I want to do the bar chart for this. X is a known as a smoker and non-smoker. Y is a count. And then I want to put these things in a bar chart. So the chart look like this. This is the bar chart, a smoker and non-smoker. Again, pie chart and bar chart will be used as a graphical or visualizations for the qualitative data. Okay. After that, now I want to see the bar chart and pie chart for the income variable. So if I like this way, run this way, this is the pie chart for the income variable, and I haven't put here any explode. So there is 9 different colors, because income has a 9 different levels, and I put different colors in there. In this link on the line number 63, what type of colors you can put, you can find. If you just click in there, you will get all the names of the colors. Okay. Now, same graph I want to see instead of pie chart by the bar chart, then we have to run the lines from 67 to 73, and then it will be the bar chart. So we have seen the bar chart and pie chart for the smoke and income variable. Now we want to have bar chart and pie chart in 2 by 1 grid. So in order to do that, that means both bar chart and pie chart, I want to see them simultaneously side by side. So this is the way I can see the bar chart and pie chart for the smoke variable side by side. And this is 2 row and 1 column. First row, second row, and 1 column. That is the way we got it. Now we want to see them 2 by 2. We want to see them in a 2 by 2. Uh, So bar chart, pie chart for smoking and income variable. So two qualitative variable, and each variable should have two charts. So that means four chart. So that means 2 by 2 grid is needed in order to show the four chart. That could be obtained by running line number uh, 99 up until line number 135. So see four graphs you will see there. Okay, this is the four graphs that you can see. This is the pie chart for smoking variable, bar chart for the smoking variable, pie chart for the race variable, bar chart for the race variable. This is 2 by 2 grid which can show four graphs. Now I want to see the stack bar chart. Stack bar chart means two qualitative variable will be picked, and within that variable, they will be stacked one over the other. So this is the stack bar chart for the income and raise variable. So income status I want to INAN, and race status is AA and CC. AA stands for African American and CC stands for Caucasian. So income 1, more people are in the CC group than AA group, and income 9, more people are in the AA group, and then less people is in the CC group. Okay, so same stack bar chart. The alternative to stack bar chart is the group bar chart, which we can also put side by side. This is called the group bar chart. So that means income level I have more CC people than AA people. AA means African American, CC means white. That means Caucasian people. After doing that, now I want to put stack bar chart and um, group bar chart together, which would be obtained by 2 by 1 grid. That means 2 row and 1 column. Here is the, sorry, there is a 1 row and 2 column stack bar chart, and group bar chart has been put side by side. After that, I want to see the dot plot of DBP variable. Dot plot means the values of the variable will be put by their observation number. This is called the dot plot. The DBP variable and dot plot for the DBP variable for race 1 and race 2. This is the two DBP variable. So this is the 3 dot plot. First one is for the entire DBP. Second one for the DBP for the CC. That means Caucasian people, and CIS, AA for the African American. Similarly, I want to see the histogram for the SBP people, entire SBP people, and histogram for the African American and Caucasians people. So this is the histogram, okay? So now I want to see the box plot for the SBP, for entire SBP. And now I want to see the box plot for the entire African American and Caucasians, okay? So now 3 dot plot, one for the DBP for entire people, one for the African American, one for the Caucasians. One histogram for the SBP for the entire people, another histogram for the African American, another histogram for the Caucasians. And then for box plot, one box plot for all people, one for the African American, one for the Caucasian. So that means 3 dot plot, 3 histogram, and 3 box plot. I want to put this 9 figure in 3 by 3 grid in question number 20, which just running the line number 273 up until 307. Okay, so 307, if you run this, we will get this figure together. Okay, so after doing this, now we want to do the pairwise plot. If there is a continuous variable, and if we do the pairwise plot, then there will be dot plot and histogram, because within the same variable, then this will be histogram, and between variable it is a dot plot. So that could be done, pairwise plot could be done by selecting continuous variable and by running these things. That is the way dot plot could be run. So in order to run dot plot, you have to run SNS. SNS was in there. Here is your SNS. This is SNS, this package. Without this package, dot plot will not be run. Okay. Sorry, pairwise plot will not be run. Okay, after pairwise plot, now I want to see the box plot for a continuous variable corresponding to different level of a categorical variable income. For 9 different income level, I want to create a box plot for SBP variable, which could be obtained by running this. Okay. After that, now I want to do it is known as the Stamley plot. So I imported some packages in here. After importing these things, I take a sample of size 200 from the data frame. Okay, that is and then I want to take a sample of size 50 from the SBP variable. After taking this, I want to find this stem leaf plot. Okay, so what I need to do, let me see whether it is importing. Uh, Here is the Stamley plot. Stamley plot means suppose there is a number 100.5. So, and if all the number in 100, so 110, 111, 107, something like that, then 100 will be in the stem and then decimal places will be in the leaf. In that way, we will get a normal curve. If you put a curve over there, you will see a curve like it could be skewed to the left, skewed to the right, or symmetric. From the box plot, what we get? From the box plot, we get the 5 important summary statistics. So minimum, maximum, we know. So for example, this is the maximum and that is the minimum value. Minimum, maximum, we know first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. So from the box plot, we also know if the median is in the middle and two whisker like left and right are in equal distance, then it is symmetric. Okay. And from the histogram, what we know? From histogram, we know this is the highest frequency class. This is the highest because this is the highest peak. So uh, um, from the histogram, we know the model class. That means which class has the highest frequency or mod. There could be bimodal, trimodal. That means if 2 mode, 3 mode of the data. And then there is also a easy conclusion whether histogram is skewed to the right, skewed to the left, or symmetric. Okay. So these are all basic visualizations problems by using Python. Okay. I'm going to stop in here. Thank you very much. Our next lecture will be on text mining. Bye.